everybody. I was trying to make an unboxing video, um, and my phone um, cut off the video because my phone my phone is full, so I had no more space, so I had to like make space to um, to do this video. Um, but I did an unboxing. Excuse me. I did an unboxing of uh, hooks and needles, um, and you're gonna see it after this little clip right here. So I hope you enjoy it. I'm also gonna uh, finish, because I couldn't finish the unboxing, so I'm gonna finish with a different clip. So I'm gonna have, you're gonna see the same shirt that I have on. So it's gonna be two different clips put together, because I wanted to finish that unboxing. So I hope you enjoy the unboxing, and yeah, I see you in the next clip. Oh, in the past, I used to be um, a monthly subscriber of Mary Maxim. I had to um, cancel, subscription, not prescription, sub cancel subscription. I'm so sorry that I can't even pronounce that word, but I had to cancel because I just had too much yarn, and I didn't have space for, all the yarn and all the kits. So I had canceled um, the Mary Maxim monthly crochet, which I love. I love getting those kits, the subscriptions. But I've been wanting to try the hooks and needles for the long time. So I got my um first monthly box. I didn't open it yet because I wanted to open it on camera. So if you didn't get yours, if you subscribe to Hooks and Needles and you didn't get yours, maybe you don't, maybe you want to skip this part, because I don't want to give it away. So let's open this together. This is my first box. Let's see what's in it. So I'm just gonna open it right here. And we get to see it together. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, I see some books. Let's see what's in here. Hold on, guys. This is so pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute. Okay. That's a cute basket. And I think a bag. I think you get 3 different patterns, whichever you want to make. Bag. What else? What else? What else? Looks like a headband. Hold up. headband, and the basket. That basket in the front. Ooh, what is this? Oh, that's so buttery soft. See that? Oh my gosh. This is hooks and needles, 76 yards, 50-gram ball. It is 85% acrylic and 15% polyester. Is a medium number 4 yarn. See that? That is beautiful. The color is let's see. It doesn't have a color. It just says color number 2. But it's like a purpley blue. It's beautiful. So I got 2 of those. And this one. Not pretty? It's pretty. It looks like it has pink in it. I thought it was the reflection of my light, but I think it has pink. Pink and really light blue and white. That's pretty. And I got 2 of those. I have a gift bag. A row counter. Ooh, I always wanted one of those. Okay, so I'm gonna try to finish the unboxing. In the previous clip, I showed the yarn and the pattern book. And I was about to show you the goodies that came in the box. So I want to show what I got. So they sent a row counter, digital. They sent crochet hook. Soft rubber. It's a H hook, 5.0 millimeters. It's a tapered hook. So I'm gonna try that. They also send cute scissors. It looks like a little bird. They also send metal needles. There's 3 in here, 3. This is cute. It's wood. It's a wood case for the needles, to keep your needles in. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. They also, and is in this mesh little bag. They also send some stuffing. It's like polyfill, but it's thicker. It seems like thicker than polyfill. And I guess they send this because there's some extra patterns in the book. In case in case I wanted to make a lovey, I can do that. I can make that. And they have QR codes, so I can get the pattern. So that's pretty cool. This is the pattern book, which I showed earlier. So yeah, I want to try that. I think I want to do the basket. There's enough here to do 2 items, so I'm thinking the basket and this cute bag. So I'm thinking about that. So the yarn is pretty soft, like I showed before. So it's a white with speckles and blue with speckles. And this yarn is called Soft Weave. It doesn't have a color, just a color number 2 and color number 1. Yeah, so that is my unboxing. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try this subscription for maybe 3 months to see how it goes. It's pretty expensive, so I'm not gonna keep the subscription, but I do want to try it for 2 or 3 months to see what's gonna be the next box and what items is gonna come in and patterns. So yeah, that's gonna be fun for me. So that's it. This is like I said, this is the ending of the first clip, you know, that I started the video, the unboxing. But like I said in the beginning, my phone cut me off. I'm thinking in investing in a camera. I think that'll be better. Like that I would have space, and I could, you know, make more videos and maybe longer videos. Maybe not too long, but yeah. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe to my channel, share this video, and yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.